So when video way na share me see I am part way ad until by the end of this video no me ton BB amount. We obi a opese o start your own business. And your business requires so this podro bibe shemwa, then this video is for you. But we obi a you are not interested in starting any business then please scroll. Cause you make a piano and shada and kawasum. We are in an age you have to start doing something for yourself. I am catching a lot of people say the time for you to start doing something for yourself is now. The time to start that business now you've been thinking about for a long time no, is now. Yes, there were a lot of businesses around, but the piano me preachy about me be a friend mini importation. Say okofa nyema ne bo ewo form free baby to say a China, Turkey, Dubai, India, and no ehon keka ho. Now the nyama no aba Ghana, now don't fast so kakra atoso, now wa tong enya o profit. And only a friend mini importation. Most of the youth in Ghana no, they've started this business and a lot of people are making a lot of money from mini importation. Ade ton ewo ho no entwemu da yehwe sikafoɔ kukudurofoɔ mo Africa omo ton bibi. They provide a service and they sell a product. Mama nkasa anwano, so we are interested say we start a business in 2023 and 2024, then the time is now. It's time say you do something I call self-education. Ube upgrade your home. Say there also be to me akofa nyema yibi no aba beton. There are lots of winning products. I can say winning products are akofa na beton ebeko show. We have these products. You can also go buy some, bring it to Ghana for profit also not on. De bia meka say usika ehye obi botom. Okay. Unse upie kwa bontia obi bechia hey sister Ama good morning or hey bra Kwame good morning now to saying all those people you see walking on the street usika esho bobotom but untumi nko enko strom so oh bra Kwame ana bra Kofi ana bra Kwesi ana sister Ama ana sister Kwia ana sister Joan pacho mame 5 Ghana cedis untumi enye sa but the obetuma say so beji sika every bra Kwame ho you can sell bra Kwame a product and I can sell sister Ama a service in return with this product the mawa di sika no eba mawo wohu na wate okrakrawa na de sika na de kotor product no wasa reinvest and that is business. Into what sort of products and what sort of service can you sell to people to get money? Easiest way to do this is to get in a product. Okay, we'll talk about service later on, but getting a product. And how can you find this product? We are in 2023, 2024. World we have artificial intelligence. You're a world that we have online platforms that you can buy things from. You're a world that you don't even have to travel overseas from the comfort of your own home using your phone. But to me, I type it, looking for products. I ship products Abagana. Now when your products not the first one to so now at home. Now I know say on the online business, it's a bit risky. That is why buy sell club. You two who is to say on more person almost started mini importation and almost started in BBI friend who say ton yema na watono. Your creative platform one upese usuya from scratch you will courses a bit to me abuao. 2 ope trusted suppliers sisi ano nipa boni for adults. In case say you are interested in certain products, now open trusted supplier will be to me at all nyamano from either China, Turkey, and Dubai. Down the Ghana, now Bangladesh, down the Ghana. On the platforms, so we share contact of trusted suppliers you can use. Open trusted agents able to say be a freight forwarder will be to me edon nyamano every ABA China, Turkey, and Dubai. Ghana now on the platforms, we have contact of trusted agents. So even post up when your agent wait to know your friend with Nigeria to Ghana Mawa on the platform we have trusted agents. Why you confused? Unim products our person could be able to on the platform you listed potential product your friend winning products are you will not lose your money. Opesa will network it with other sellers too now. On the platform, you'll be able to add other sellers, contact them, and start learning from their experiences. We have tons and tons of goodies on Buy Sell Club. Into your beer or shemi. Now per se you change your life, and now per se will you be for yourself in 2024. It's not too late. Just sign up on Buy Sell Club and start educating yourself. Your special Facebook groups where once you become a member, I'll be to me joining. If you have any questions, I'll be there in the group to help you out. Other members will also be there to help you out. Getting vital information, is really, really difficult. But Buy Sell Club, be easy amount. It's a video where I show on crying. Now you don't want to waste time, but I want to change something in 2024. Then the time is now. Click in the description section below. You sign up on Buy Sell Club and start educating yourself. I'll be there if you have any questions. Just ask. And Kwame Chumesi, from experience, I'm ready to share with you guys. So, all products are mobile. Really, really easy. The thing is that you need to go through the process to understand. Once you are able to buy a product and get it delivered to Ghana safely, now a great experience. Okay, so getting through the experience from A to Z, by yourself, and the be shown crying now the experience you need now that vim, to continue or to move on with your business. If you don't go through this process now, you always be scared and you always have doubts, and that's why Buy Sell Club, making things easy for you. Become a member today, and trust me, you thank me later. Platform on a daily basis, we put in a lot of vital information on the platform to help you guys. We keep on updating the suppliers, we keep on adding agents, we keep on adding videos. We have a lot of free downloads and free resources to help you guys get started with your business. And 2% changes something in 2024. Maintenance say and show Jim film. The time is now. Take action now. Click in the first link in the description section below. Become a member on Buy Sell Club today, and let's win together. Wow, what share video way about see this time now. And so I'm Pesamika say thank you for watching this video till the end. Wait, Trem said you are serious in starting something for yourself. Our fear baby ring. I know said you more than there, but you helping yourself, is the first thing to do. And also getting access to the right information, is really, really important. Said your own mistake, a man for be brave, share buying and selling as a mistake. But say with me, I share video wait till now, no. Percent me chawadiye. Inti upese u joining Buy Sell Club. Membership on the attitude so did that. But say with me, I share till this time, me somehow extra 50% off. The here say with the code way at share coupon side, would be a coupon now with the code way starts now 50 off for code way a show and become a member. Code way and chibia may ye through. And if you want to take action now is the time. Use this code to get extra 50% off. Start now 50 off. Thank you guys, and see you on the platform.